Hey everyone, welcome back. In this sound design session, we're going to create a rich FM bass patch in Wavetable. This patch is available for free from my Bandcamp and it's linked in the description. Please like and subscribe if you find this video informative, and you can leave suggestions for future content in the description. First, create a new MIDI track and bring in a fresh instance of Wavetable. We're going to take the channel down by a few dB. And let's drag the bass MIDI over and delete the previous track. So this is our MIDI. In Wavetable, we'll go to oscillator 1 and select the FM fold wavetable. This gives us a hollow texture. Perfect for darker basses. Now turn on the sub-oscillator and take it to 0 octaves. Then lower the transpose by an octave or 12 semitones. Next, switch from poly to mono mode for that classic synth bass feel. Now let's start working with the filter. We'll change the filter type from clean to SMP. Pull the filter frequency down to around 90 Hz. And add some resonance. Finally, push the drive up. This adds warmth, grit, and analog style saturation to make the sound pop. Now let's start shaping the amp envelope. Soften the attack so the patch doesn't click. And increase the sustain. Then we'll shorten the release. Now go to the matrix and assign envelope 2 to the filter's cutoff to create some movement. Let's tweak envelope 2 as well. Make sure to give the attack slope a gentle curve. Next, I'll add saturation to thicken the bass. I usually remove some of the scratchy high frequencies. So without and with. Next, we can add an EQ to remove rumble. And finally, chorus. I'm just turning this up to 100% wet so I can hear just the effect of the chorus alone and tweak to taste. You can also mess around with the unison settings for a similar effect. I'm trying to keep this bass more mono-compatible. Finally, I'll add a compressor for sidechaining using the kick as a trigger. Finally, let's listen in context. And that's the video. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more sound design tips, and I'll see you in the next one.